Today I'm going to be trying a new product. It's new to me, it's not new to YouTube at all. Hey folks, it is finally wash day. I'm officially 8 weeks since my last full head retwist. Today I'm going to be trying a new product. It's new to me, it's not new to YouTube at all. But I'm going to be trying this Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna Shampoo. It says it's a clarifying shampoo, and I've seen a few videos that have convinced me that it is a great way to clarify. I'm a little skeptical because it's not clear. And so one of the rules I have been operating by for the last 9 years is that anything that is not clear or that is solid at room temperature is not good. Y'all can see it. So here's a creamy shampoo that says that it is a clarifying shampoo. I'm gonna use it as the first step in my wash process, and I'm gonna do a review to see how much buildup I feel like got stripped and whether or not my hair is super dry. I'm hoping that this will be a great way to clarify without drying my hair all the way out, and that this could take the place of an ACV rinse, because I know that it's been really stripping and drying in the past. I'm also gonna try out a conditioner today, which is another Design Essentials product. So this is a Rosemary and Mint Design Essentials. It says stimulating super moisturizing conditioner. It says it's for dry, brittle hair. I don't know if my hair is dry and or brittle, but I haven't conditioned in a while, and I do think my babies could use a little bit of love. So I'm gonna try this out today and see how it works. So my plan is to shampoo twice with the clarifying shampoo and then go in with just a dollop of this, rubbing it through my hair. I'm interested to see how much of the products I will need to cover my whole head. I do have 2 feet of hair to wash and condition today, but yeah, I will be back with a review once here I am. I just finished washing my hair. I used the Oat Henna Protein Shampoo, clarifying shampoo, and found that I didn't see any additional gunk or buildup in comparison to when I used other shampoos or when I use the ACV clarifying rinse. And I think that just means that my hair doesn't have a lot of gunk to begin with, which is a good thing. I did like how my hair felt afterwards. It didn't feel completely stripped. It still did feel moisturized. And it took 2 go-throughs, so I didn't see any bubbles and any sudsing until the second wash. And so yeah, I do like the shampoo. Right now I'm waiting for the Rosemary Mint conditioner to sit in my hair for 25 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of heat with my blow dryer, and then I'm gonna rinse out. So I'm gonna let my hair sit under this dryer for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back in and finish up and rinse out this conditioner. Moisturization level is high. Okay, so I just came from underneath the dryer and my locks feel like cotton. I have to see how this is gonna look and feel once I rinse this conditioner out. But as for right now, after sitting under this hooded dryer situation, yes, cottony locks, I'm feeling the moisturization. So I'm kinda happy with how this is turning out. My strands are juicy. It feels like cotton in a good way. I will see once this dries if I have any patches of buildup. That's my only concern with conditioners, is that I think just the water pressure in my house isn't high enough. I look at the locticians in their salons, and they have the sinks with the high pressure faucets, and I think that helps to break down and wash out the buildup that happens with conditioner and creamy products. I don't have that. And so I rinsed for a long time, and I used the highest pressure that I could get from my shower head. But I'm gonna see if there's any film and residue once my hair dries, and then that will go into my final thoughts about this product. But so far I'm liking it. My hair feels spongy, and that's good. So yeah. Well, my hair's been sitting under a towel for a while. It's pretty dry and still pretty soft. I'm about to retwist. Took a couple hours of break in between retwisting, but so far so good. I am still liking the results of this shampoo and condition. My roots look really clean and healthy, in my opinion anyway. I guess that's all that matters for my locks. But yeah. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the before and after, and you can really see how dull and dry my locks had gotten and that they were definitely in need of some moisturization, especially at the ends. After I washed my hair, I twisted them 3 at a time and then put them into the lock petal styles using rubber bands. See you next time.